So I just want to give a bit of a context in terms of people who are already online. We have about 160 million people who are actually pretty much active, which we call online active. We have about 140 million people who are actually accessing the net through mobile. And within that, you have about 70 million people who are accessing the net through smartphones. The reason I'm giving numbers is because I would presume from Google perspective, you're saying what we can do on an online basis, right? Now, when we look at some of that, you know the kind of people that coming are really cross-section. A lot of people actually talk about, is it really the youth? But it is a cross-section. The other is that it is certainly at this point of time skewed towards the youth. But also you have to keep in mind that in the next, till 2020 in all probability, India is going to be, the median average age in India is going to be less than 30. So you're actually getting you're getting the younger cries cross on the net. And therefore we have to really question ourselves that how is it that we want to communicate to this set of people. The profile of these people are basically in the sense that they are hyper connected, they are hyper informed. There is no going offline for some of these people. There is no going online for these people because they're never offline, right? As well as the fact that this is the youth that is super confident and very, very sure, much more surer in terms of what maybe generation prior was in terms of what they want to do today. And therefore you will see that, I call it they are asset rich, cash poor, because they want to, buy their cars and houses and everything in much earlier. So if you want to communicate to them, you have to talk to them in their language. What we believe in term, and this is really what I think you were asking, is that there's a wise man once who told me that, if you have, in any situation in life, if you have knowledge, humility, and a sense of humor with you, you can actually get out of it. All right? And that holds true even for, when we're trying to sell insurance. It is a product that we have to sell with high amount of knowledge. It is a product that we have to actually do it with a lot of humility, because you are dealing with either people's lives or health insurance or health or whatever it may be. There is a protection element as well as a protection investment element that comes into being. And of course, who doesn't like a bit of sense of humor? So why are we so shy of just saying that, hey, this is an insurance product, it's a push product, and therefore we can't actually bring in some kind of humor into the entire thing. And that's really what I want to say, because speak the people language. Your imagination is the only limitation. Think outside the box. There are enough and more people who will try and do that. I think we have a good friend, Jashish, sitting here, Policy Bazaar. He's trying to do that off late, that I've seen from that Ullu campaign and the youth campaign and all that. I think they are great steps in that kind of direction. Get the sense of humor, get the humility, and get the knowledge, and you got a business going.